Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is L3Harris expands Vampire counter-drone system production to meet growing demand from US and allied forces. L3Harris Technologies has begun high-volume production of its Vampire counter-unmanned systems at a new production line in Huntsville, Alabama. The move responds to increasing demand from the United States and its allies to address persistent drone threats. The facility includes a flexible assembly, testing and installation area designed to integrate Vampire systems onto ground vehicles and containerized weapon platforms. The company said the production line can scale output as operational requirements evolve. "We're making every effort to put these effective, combat-proven systems on the front line as fast as possible to save lives," said Tom Kirkland, President, Targeting and Sensor Systems, Communications and Spectrum Dominance at L3Harris. "Our newest production line combines the best people, technology, facilities and innovation to deliver the ultimate CUXS solution to our customers." The Vampire system has been used in European combat operations since 2023. It has demonstrated the ability to detect, track and defeat small unmanned aerial systems. In 2025, L3Harris expanded the Vampire family to include variants for land, maritime, air and electronic warfare operations. The company also integrated the system onto additional defense ground vehicles as part of its development efforts. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.